since we're in the museum, we'll start with a visitor to the museum.
Excellent. I love it.
An
Perfect.
encounter with a visitor
Perfect.
that resulted in a poem.
Okay.
So, and this is called Woman Unhoused in the Museum. It's from 2021. I did not hear her come in. She manifested suddenly mid-floor, standing still like a ghost. She was dressed in layers of shirts and long skirts and draped with bags and a guitar, or at least its remnants. There was just the face and strings. What instrument do you play? I asked. Oh, any of them, she said, all of them. She tapped lightly on the tall drum, took a brochure, touched things because she was allowed, tinkered gently with the ornate mudcloth vest and kufi, artifacts near the door. Assalamu alaikum, she said, peace be upon you. Wa alaikum assalam, I returned, and upon you be peace. What's your name, she asked. Keasha, I said. Bye, Aisha, she replied. I accepted my renaming. Take care, I offered as she was leaving. She waved with one hand, slowly, above her head, but she did not stop walking, and she did not turn around. I wondered how she knew I was still watching.